Hello, everyone! Today we will talk about a very inspiring success story. The story of KFC and its founder, Colonel Sanders. This story will help you learn new English words and phrases in an easy way. Let's begin. Challenges and rejections. Sanders went to 1,009 restaurants, but they all said no. Many people told him, "Your idea will never work." But Sanders did not give up. He believed in his recipe. Finally, one restaurant said yes. They tried his fried chicken and customers loved it. The big success. In a few years, Kentucky Fried Chicken, KFC, became very popular. People all over the world started eating KFC chicken. Today, KFC has over 25,000 restaurants in many countries. Colonel Sanders became a symbol of hard work and success. His face is still on the KFC logo today. Moral of the story: never give up. If you have a dream, keep trying. Even if people say no, believe in yourself, just like Colonel Sanders did. I hope you enjoyed this story and learned some new English words. If you liked it, please subscribe for more stories. See you next time.